Hello, this is Dr. Clancy again, and I want to just go over Module 2 for the course. Module 2 speaks to evidence-based practice and population health. As with every module, it begins with your responsibilities. It goes through the readings of what you need to do. You should have by now connected with your clinical sites and at least have some hours on your calendar. And also you should be working with your groups for your lab project and have determined what at-risk population you're going to be addressing. There's questions at the end of each chapter, just one question. You need to post by the September 21st with replies by the 28th. And as I said, you should be working on your clinical hours and your lab reports. Make sure your semester calendar is mapped out so you're not going to be late. And the Healthy Plate assignment is due September 29th. As I said, the course schedule is in every module, so you don't have to do a lot of clicking around. These are the evidence-based practice discussion questions per chapter, and those are the support PowerPoints that go with the chapter. There's some information in this module about infectious and communicable diseases, which is a very apropos now with COVID-19. And then at the end of this module, as in every module, we have Ask a Question. And I'm sure if you have a question, you have a colleague with the same question. Again, feel free to contact me. By this time, we should have some WebEx optional classrooms or classes scheduled where you can ask me questions online, or if you want to clarify some information or whatever. But don't hesitate to email me either. Thank you, and I hope everything's going fine and you're enjoying learning this information.